welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to understand how you can automatically add your Typeform submissions as a new item in your monday.com account. So now here I've already built an automation that I've connected my Typeform account with my monday.com account using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply making a form submission. So for that, let me take you to my lead form that I've created using Typeform. So this is my lead form, and here I'm going to enter my first name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytunes.com. Then here for the phone number, we are going to select our country code as India. And then we are going to add the random phone number. Alright, then we are going to press and enter. And you can see we have successfully made our form submission. So now let's go and check our monday.com account, and here you can see instantly a new item has been created where we have received the item name as new form submission. Here you can see the lead's name, email and the phone number. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your own business using this automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here, before we move forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button. Then here is asking for the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says auto add Typeform leads to monday.com, and for the folder I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created for different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that we are receiving new form submission through Typeform. So we're going to select our trigger as Typeform and app event as new entry. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Typeform account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Typeform. And here you can see it is requesting for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And now you can see we are now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Typeform account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it's going to ask for your account credentials first. Alright, then here is asking us to select the form. So now here to get the form, let me take you back to my Typeform account. So this is my Typeform account, and here you can see the forms that I have created in my account. So in this case, I'm going to use my form that I have with the name lead form. So I'm going to select that form from the drop down, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive the response in a simple and organized format. But if you want to receive the response in an array format, that means in an advanced format, then you can simply turn it off. For now, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to make a form submission using our Typeform. So now here to make a form submission, let me take you back to my Typeform account, and from here we are going to copy the link of this form, and then you're going to open it in a new tab. Now again, I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test. Then for the last name, we are going to enter the name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com, and here for the phone number, we are going to select our country code first, that is India, and then here we are going to enter our number, and then here we're going to add a random number. Alright, then we're going to press and control and enter, and you can see we have successfully made a form submission. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received all the form details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new form entry, then automatically I want to create an item for the same in my monday.com account. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as monday.com. Then for the app event, we are going to select create item, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your monday.com account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking us to add the API token. So here, following the instructions given below. So I've already logged in my monday.com account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and then we're going to select developers. Now here are this developers, we are going to select the option of API token, and this is our API token. So we're going to copy it and we're going to add it over here. Then you're going to click on the save. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So now here it is asking us for the board ID and the group name. So now here to get these details, let me take you back to my monday.com account. So here you can see my board is new leads and my group name is new leads only. So we're going to select that over here. And then we are going to move forward. Here it is asking us to add the item name and some other details. So here for the item name, I'm going to add my item name as new form submission. So we're going to copy this and we're going to add it over here. So here I've entered this text manually because it is going to remain same for all the new form submissions. Then here is asking for the name, email and the phone number. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new form submission through a Typeform, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, we are going to map the first name first, then we are going to enter a space, and then we are going to map the last name. Same goes with the another name field as well. We are going to map the first name first, then we are going to enter a space, and then we are going to map the last name. Here for the email address, we are going to map our lead's email address in both the email fields. And for the phone number, we are going to map our lead's phone number. Alright, so this is our lead's phone number. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new item in our monday.com account. So let's go and check it. And here you can see instantly a new item has been created with the same item name, and these are the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected a trigger as Typeform and action as monday.com, so that when you're going to receive a new form submission through a Typeform, then instantly a new item for the same will be created in our monday.com account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to auto add Typeform leads to monday.com. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.